Hi everyone and welcome back to Miwa Japanese Cooking. Today we have something special in store for you. We are diving into the world of immune-boosting Japanese superfoods packed with essential nutrients to support a stronger, healthier you. Now let's take a closer look at some of these incredible ingredients. First up, we have seaweed. It's a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are fantastic for your immune system. This right here is a kombu, a type of kelp. It's loaded with iodine, which supports thyroid function, and it's also a great source of iron and calcium. Next on our list are fermented soy products. These include staples like miso, soy sauce, and natto. They are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your gut health and overall immunity. If you have been with me for a while, you know that I love miso and natto. I even visited miso maker and natto maker to find out how it's made. Those videos are available on my channel if you want to dive deeper. Anyhow, miso is a probiotic powerhouse, teeming with beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy digestive system. It's also a wonderful source of protein and essential amino acids. Miso soup is not only comforting, but also a power ally for your immune system. But you may be wondering about the miso's sodium content. Well, recent studies have shown that miso does not raise blood pressure if you consume it in moderation. This is not a medical advice, just sharing my personal experience. With that being said, I eat miso soup almost every day with a different variety of ingredients. To me, miso soup is a eating supplement, which is a perfect transition of introducing the traditional Japanese cooking philosophy called Ichiju Sansai. It's a one rice, one soup, and 3 small side dishes in one meal. This allows us to eat a diverse array of vegetables, from vibrant greens like spinach to antioxidant-rich sweet potatoes. They play a crucial role in supporting your immune function. My mom always told me that try to add more colors when you cook. I love it because it's simple enough to remember. So now let's put them into the action with delicious recipe that combines all these elements just we mentioned. Starting with miso. So I recently made a miso soup recipe video. It's right here. So I'm not gonna make miso soup for this video. Instead, I'm going to introduce you to miso risotto, which is a great breakfast in the chilly morning in winter. So let's do it.
でもう溶けた。30秒ぐらい。わあ、いっぱい食べてくれてる。やったー。イエーイ、びっかり。あ、お米粒も全部食べてください。どうだ、こっちはどうだ。わ、すごい。
This wakame mixed rice is something my older son enjoys in his school lunch. I often make a batch and store it in the freezer. If you're looking for a freezer meal prep recipe, this recipe is for you. To enjoy a wide variety of vegetable, we all know that delicious sauce and dressings are essential, right? So, I'll introduce you to my favorite dipping sauce. It's a quick and easy tofu mayonnaise that you can make with the ingredients you might already have in your fridge, just in one bowl.
おいしい？いい感じ？ポリポリ食べてるね。おいしいね。それならいっぱいお野菜食べれそう？
なんかきゅうりおいしい。
きゅうりおいしい？よかった。バクバク食べてる。
As always, all the recipes are on my blog. There are more than 350 recipes now. Wow! So I hope they will help you to cook more Japanese food at home in your kitchen. The link is in the description box. Also, if you're looking for more support on starting Japanese cooking, we have online coaching program. Most of us know what we want to change to maintain our health through food, but it's hard to make it to the path without any support. The goal of this program is for you to transform your life with the power of Japanese cooking. Not only will you learn from the video, but also you will have real people, including myself, supporting you in an exclusive community. If you are interested, the link is in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. またね